So our train is here already, and as you know, let's make it in the. Oh dear, it is crowded in here.
Please stand back from the train doors. 請勿靠近車門，請不要靠近車門。Please stand back from the train doors.
Off we go. Wow! And we are going to one chai. Our next stop is Wan Chai, but we're going to Causeway Bay.
下一站灣仔，下一站灣仔。Next station, Wan Chai.
Oh, it's Wan Chai.
The next station was one way, and then the end is Channel Lane.
Bro.
Chai one pa to.
Yeah, it's a bit
Balik.
weird. We are at Wan Chai, but this isn't our destination yet. Whoa, really abrupt stop.
Causeway.
Causeway Bay. Finally, I have some space. Here.
請勿靠近車門，請不要靠近車門。Please stand back from the train doors.
Like you can get on at the last minute. One try. Oh. Still taking the island line. So the next one is our destination. Just wait. Got the exit here.
Here na.
Causeway Bay.
Pagkababa, tama na.
Causeway Bay. Okay, here we are. And that's it for now. Bye.